Hi everyone, for today's video I'm going to do an unboxing for the Tonic Craft kit. This is the bunny and egg. It's such a cute kit. So let's take the stuff out. So I saw their video and I instantly fell in love with the Easter egg. It reminds me of their Christmas ornament, the way it was designed, and it's so cute. Okay, so this is what the die creates. Again, it's called Bunny and Egg. And then inside, and I also fell in love with a cute little baby chick. So when you open the egg, inside's a cute little baby chick, and then you could fill it in with, chocolates or, embellishments, whatever you'd like. And then here's the list of what's inside the box. But it was such a super cute die, and I had to have it. So in this bag is all this goodies. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so it looks like you get a, sparkle spray. Looks like it's some gold, really pretty gold. And then here is a Nouveau drop, and that one is in Shimmering Rose. It's really beautiful pink. You get the Hair and Skin Tones watercolor pencils. That's cute. Let me see. I'm going to open this up. Let's see what it looks like inside. Down. It's beautiful colors of that. I love watercolor pencils. And then you get a nice 12 nylon brush set. Really cool. There's a lot of nice size brushes there. Excited for that. Right, and then here's the die. So it comes in this nice little folder. And then of course you always get the fun sticker that you put on the front of the envelope. So when you're flipping through this, you know which one it is. Cute. All right, so here's the die. So you get a lot of pieces, and Tonic always has tutorials on their dies. I'll put the link down below so you can see how they put it together. It also comes with instructions of how to put it together, which I've mentioned before, which I love about Tonic's die sets. And then you get this stamp set, really cute. That stamp set. All right, and then this is the paper. Always comes in this nice folder. So it looks like you get this really pretty glitter sheet. And then you get some cardstock. And again, in this this paper here, it shows the colors and exactly what papers they are, in case you want to purchase some more of these colors. Really beautiful. So lots of yellows, which I like. And it's textured. It seems like a textured cardstock. It's really pretty. So those are the papers. And that is the craft kit for the Bunny and Egg. Again, it makes this cute die right here, or project. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.